Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the DIY candle kit from Simply Earth Essential Oils. They are the monthly recipe box brand that we really love. They have good quality essential oils, great prices, and then they have that monthly recipe box, which is amazing and teaches you how to use oils in different ways that you probably wouldn't. But they also come out with kits from time to time, usually seasonal. They have like a makeup kit. They've had a candle kit before, but this is the fall one, and I'm really excited to open it and share with you. This will come with everything you need to make your own candles. Fall is the time to burn candles. It's when everyone has just all of their pumpkin spice and everything nice. No, all their candles. And they're just so bad for your furnace filter, for your lungs. So making your own is better. And this will come with everything you need. Your creating journey starts here. That's a cute little box. What is in here? So, oh, these are really cute labels. I don't know if you can see them. Hopefully it's focusing on those. But it says feels like home, hand poured soy wax candle. And then also in there is a recipe card. Feels like home, DIY candle recipe. So it shows you everything you'll need to make your first candle. It also comes with this little honey stir. This holds up your wick, and then also 2 essential oils. So we have Autumn Air and Homebody, and these are actually 2 essential oils that I have already. So I'm gonna add these to my giveaway pile. I do a giveaway every week on my email list, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that down below. But these will be added because I do already have these 2. So those go over there, Autumn Air and Homebody. So here are my 2 that I grabbed off my shelf. I'll just give you a quick smell test. Homebody is one of my favorite essential oil blends of all time, actually. Toadwood, Amyris, Copaiba, and Vetiver. It smells so good. It's kind of spicy. It's kind of like in the same family as like patchouli. It's kind of like a hippie-ish type of blend. It's warm and just good vibes is the perfect name for it. That's what it smells like. And Autumn Air is more of a fall blend. So this one is lemon orange balsam for Howood and cassia, which is similar to cinnamon. It's like a spicy. Oops. This one is sweet and spicy. So just think of like when I smell this, I just think of fall. I am really excited they picked those 2 essential oils for this kit because those are my 2 favorite ones from them. So this is the beeswax. I think it's beeswax or soy. What is this? Ingredients on here. This is soy wax. So this is what you will melt and make your candle with. And it also has 2 cotton wicks, 2 wick stickers. Oh, to put your wick on the bottom of your jar. And then a wick centering tool. So that's what this is. So you can just make sure your wick is standing up straight. So you melt this, pour it into your jar, let it cool a little bit, add your essential oil, and that's it. It's super easy. It literally could not be easier to make your own candle. And it's so much better than candles from the store, from TJ Maxx, especially all those cheap ones. And then lastly, in your kit, you get 2 candle jars. So I'll open it and show you. This is a glass jar with a metal lid. These are good size. So this is 11 ounces of the soy wax. So you're making 2 5-ish. Makes 1 large 16-ounce candle or 2 8-ounce candles. And I think this might be, let me see what this says. These are 2 8-ounce amber glass jars. So you will make 2 of these with this kit. And then you can choose. So what you do is choose one option. So either one of these, we're not mixing them. You use 150 drops per 8-ounce candle, right? Place the wick stickers on the bottom metal part of your wick. Stick wicks to the bottom. Place opened bag into microwave. Microwave for 3 minutes. If it isn't melted, keep going for 30-second intervals. Pour half of the wax into each of your candle jars, taking care not to let any of the hot wax touch your skin. And then add your choice of 150 drops of essential oil to each of your candles. So for each bottle, or each jar, you'll put 150 drops. You get this to mix them all together. And then make sure your wick is sticking straight up, and then let it cool, and then you burn your candle. And then tip 2, also when you're starting with your candle, your first burn, you want to make sure it burns so it goes all the way around so it doesn't get like uneven burn. But anyways, and always trim your wick. That is how easy it is, and I'm really excited about these 2 blends. But literally you could make any scent that you want. You can use any essential oil. But let me know if you have any questions and if you're excited for this and if you're gonna grab it. The link to shop Simply Earth will be down below, and also to subscribe to my blog, so make sure you do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.